Hello everyone. In this video, I'd like to introduce the Event Viewer. An Event Viewer allows users to have the capability to track all events happening throughout the entire simulated lifecycle, presented in the form of a Gantt chart. We have not explored this function, which was released in the latest Maros and Taro applications. Stay on for the next few minutes to see how this feature can be applied and help to give more value to your modeling experience. We're going to show the possibilities of an event viewer through a simple case study. So this example is an oil production facility with separation nodes, and within each nodes, we have set up a couple of equipment with reliability data, right? So in addition, we have a scenario where after an annual plant turnaround, which lasts for 3 days, there will be a ramp-up time lasting 48 hours. So we ran the results earlier, and the goal is to find out how we use Event Viewer to validate the events in the model. Now, in the past, you may have used the event logs to diagnose the models, tracking each event and validating the behavior of certain conditionals, for example. But now you can use the event viewer to validate the models. So right now, let me run and find out where is the annual plant shutdown and to compare how it behaves to the conditional logic that we set earlier. So right about here, where we can see the annual plant shutdown, and to be a lot clearer, there is an events tab where it shows each of the events. So S1 indicates when the failure starts, S2 when the repair starts, and S3 when the event ends. So because we did not set up any mobilization time, so the repair time and when the event happens is similar, right? So here you can see right after the annual shutdown has ended, the ramp-up time kicks off, right? And it lasts for 48 hours, yeah? So it's the similar information that you can see here. So what is also interesting is also when you click any of the events in this table, it will highlight the event on the hierarchy to show where the event is located. So that helps users to identify where these events are in case you have a more complicated model. Okay, so if you have any questions, feedback, or want to get stuck into learning about how our RAM products can help you make smarter decisions, please email at digital@dnv.com. Take care and bye for now.